cartridges. Remove the paper back from both sides of the cleaning card. Now open the hopper 2 and remove cards. Insert the cleaning card into the card hopper 2. There are 2 ways to clean the printer, one from the printer driver and the other from the printer LCD. Press Menu, press Tools, press Clean Printer. The printer will feed the cleaning card and start cleaning card path rollers. For cleaning inside the printer, you need a can of compressed air. Blow out all visible areas of the printer interior. Remove any debris that might be inside. If you do not have a can of compressed air, use a cleaning pad from the printer cleaning kit to wipe out all the visible areas inside the printer. Remove the card cleaning roller from the print ribbon packaging and insert the cleaning roller into the handles. Remember to remove the paper cover from the cleaning rollers. Clean the printer print head every time you change the